There she is. Бампер?
Да.
No.
А?
Не.
Царапано.
Ну, это не сейчас, это уже раньше. Yeah, this was definitely not in the picture, but it's scratched up now, so. Here's the damage. As y'all can see, quarter panel. Taillight.
I don't see the key.
No keys? Hold on, we better find the keys. It's inside, what are you talking about? It's in the ignition. It's in the ignition. Hey look, he's got that tape player that we need for your truck. So we can play music. Heck yeah. Look at it, we saved a Walmart trip. Look at that, guys. It's got an AUX tape player there. Now we can listen to our phones. Shoot, already saving money. Man, they got really dirty here at the auction. You have to stop by a car wash and just rinse it off. Other than that, it looks pretty good. 285 3019s. She is a beauty. Oh man, this thing's got the yellow stitching. I like it. It's clean. Higher miles, but so clean. Like I said, the owner must have really well maintained and love this car because it looks super, super clean. Look at that. Even has floor mats. My last one didn't even have freaking floor mats. It just needs a good detail. So we're in a little bit of a pickle. This key is not the key for the car. Press it, doesn't do anything. You put it in, it doesn't want to spin it. So I'm trying to reach out to the original owner, see if he has an extra key, or if maybe they left the key in the office. Alright guys, car's on the trailer. We got it strapped. We're gonna stop by the office and see and hope that they have a key. Of course, we can actually hear this car run. But other than that, about to hit the road, Jack. And that's all the damage. Like I said, damage doesn't look bad at all. If this was a Honda Civic, right here is how you determine your clutch. Because you can see how much life is left in them. Right, let's get them off. Alright. Oh, it still looks pretty good actually, Peter. Your clutch looks pretty good still. We got up on the lift and pretty much did an assessment of it. It looks like it's just pretty much suspension parts. No frame damage or structural damage to the car. The coolant looks good. And the best way to go about this is just to replace the complete knee assembly. Lower control arm, upper control arm, give me your tie bars, your hub assembly pretty much right here complete. Because the spindle's damaged. It's going to need a new brake rotor. The brake pads look good. The caliper looks good, which is good. The strut is damaged, however. And the only thing underneath I noticed is just this little hose is damaged, which is an easy fix. No no engine damage, no oil pans busted, nothing. So that's a big plus.